Beneath the surface of our planet lies a world so vast and mysterious, we've explored less of it than we have of outer space. The deep ocean, dark, silent, and crushing, hides secrets that could rewrite what we know about life on Earth. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, untouched by human eyes. Down there, sunlight disappears, pressure rises to unimaginable levels, and temperatures drop close to freezing. Yet somehow, life thrives. Giant squids, glowing jellyfish, and translucent fish inhabit a realm that feels more alien than Earthly. Scientists descend miles below in robotic submersibles, uncovering towering mountains, deep trenches, and underwater volcanoes that spew superheated minerals, hydrothermal vents that host bizarre creatures living without sunlight, feeding instead on the Earth's chemistry. These hidden ecosystems might even hold clues to how life began, and whether it could exist on distant ocean worlds like Europa or Enceladus. But the deep ocean isn't just a home to strange life. It's also a record of our planet's history, and perhaps its future. Beneath the crushing depths lie clues about Earth's climate, evolution, and untapped resources that could shape humanity's next frontier. Yet as exploration advances, so does exploitation. Plastic waste, deep-sea mining, and noise pollution threaten this fragile world before we even fully understand it. The hidden worlds beneath our oceans remind us how little we truly know about the planet we call home. Each dive into the abyss reveals new life, new landscapes, and new mysteries. The question is, will we uncover its secrets before we destroy them?